you guys played with three spinners today while England went in with four frontline seamers. Were you expecting the pitch to turn a little more than it did?
Yes, obviously we practiced on this wicket before the match, and when the spinners were bowling in the practice wicket, the ball was obviously turning and it was stopping as well. Very much similar to this two-paced wicket which we played on. But yeah, our plan is obviously, to play maximum spinners, and that is our strength. So we back them.
Yes, Venkat Krishna.
Yeah. Shreyas, Kohli had said ahead of the T20 that he would like the batsman to play a lot more aggressive cricket. And for a batsman who's played at number 3 in IPL and number 4, batting at number 5, what kind of changes have you made to your batting to suit to this free flowing cricket?
See, coming into the Indian team, you have to be very flexible in terms of what batting position you'll be batting on, and to be honest, I haven't made any changes. It's just the mindset at what number you go at and what the team requires at that particular time. So I just bat out the situation, and today was obviously a challenging condition, and the situation we were in, we had to just play our natural game and see to it that we keep ticking on the scoreboard, irrespective we lost early wickets.
Saurabh Sowal.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hi, Shreyas, just an extension of the question that Venkat asked. Kohli had said about the new batting philosophy sort of that India would adopt going into this series. Is it fair to say that despite the one loss, the philosophy will not be, left on the side because it holds essential merit?
It will definitely not change because you see the batting lineup that we have and the power hitters down the line. We really don't have to change anything, to be honest. We have come with a plan and we need to execute it as much as possible, because going into the World Cup, we need to see to it that we have ticked all the boxes, and this we have to try it as much as possible. And this is a 5-match game, so it's a perfect time that we try out different stuff and see whatever suits us.
Anshul Gupta. Yeah, Anshul Gupta.
Hi, Shreyas.
Hi.
So going in at 20 for 3, what was your game plan? And after playing for a few overs, what was the score you were looking at?
So I knew that Rishabh was batting pretty well. He hit 1, 6 and 4, and my thought process was just to give him singles because that's what we do in DC as well. So he's the dominator at the time, and that was my mindset. And I just decided that I would play ball to ball at that point of time and take on if a spinner comes on. And yeah, I think it worked on pretty well for me. And obviously they bowled only 3 overs of Adil Rashid, but I was waiting for that one. And if you saw the wicket, it was playing uneven in the initial phase, and also later on it was quite difficult to take over the bowlers. But yeah, I think we had decided to get to 140, 140, 150 at that point of time, and it didn't work out pretty well for us because we kept losing consecutive wickets at that point of time, but a lot to learn from this game.
We'll be taking last few questions now. Arani Masood.
Yeah. Suresh, you talked about playing in IPL with Rishabh, how both of you pace an innings in IPL. How different is it when you come to international cricket in terms of planning an innings or targeting bowlers? Because in IPL you get one or two inexperienced bowlers anyway. So how difficult or different is it to plan an international innings here?
See, whatever plan that you make is during the practice sessions, and we've got amazing management over here who, put us in such tough scenarios in the net session itself. So while we go on to bat over there, we are completely empty-minded, and we don't really think about what we are going to do. So as I mentioned before, that I play the situation, and whatever the situation demands, I play accordingly. So that's my game plan.
Two more questions now. Anuj Mishra.
Yes, I just wanted to know that do you have some sort of pressure to perform as the Indian batting lineup has more firepower now, looking at how new players have come into the side?
Sorry, I didn't get your question right.
I'm saying that there are many firepowers in the batting lineup.
Yeah.
So were you in some sort of pressure to perform up to the mark?
I don't know what to answer to that, seriously. I mean, I'm in no sort of pressure, to be honest. And I'm playing freely, happily, enjoying my innings. That's it.
Cool. That's all.
श्रेयस हमेशा T20 क्रिकेट ये बैट्समैन का गेम माना जाता है, लेकिन जब बॉलिंग में इतना दम हो, जब तेज बॉलिंग डाल रहे हो, विकेट भी थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है और शुरुआत में विकेट जाते हैं तो ये पूरा गेम पलट जाता है, ये अनुभव कैसा रहा आपके लिए?
ये सिचुएशन में मैं बहुत बार आ चुका हूँ आईपीएल में, तो ये ऐसा नहीं था कि फर्स्ट टाइम ये सिचुएशन में मैंने बैटिंग किया. एक्चुअली आईपीएल में भी बहुत बार हो चुका है और वो सिचुएशन से मैं निकल चुका हूँ. एंड तक बैटिंग करने देखता हूँ, पूरा 20 ओवर खेलने देखता हूँ और मुझे पता है कि एक बीच में आउट बाउंड्रीज मिलेगा तो कम्प्लीटली मोमेंटम चेंज होता है और एक बड़ा पार्टनरशिप होता है बीच में, तो पूरा मतलब बैट्समैन फिर डोमिनेट करने लगता है बॉलर को. तो अगर ऐसा देखा जाए तो उनके बॉलर्स ने बहुत ही अच्छा बॉलिंग किया और उनके प्लान पे उन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा एक ही प्लान पे स्टिक करते रहे. तो ये आज उनका दिन था और kudos to them the way they played. और yeah, बस.
Final question, Prathamesh Dixit from India Today.
Hi, श्रेयस, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ.
श्रेयस, आप विजय हजारे से अच्छी एक इनिंग खेल के आए. विजय हजारे का एक्सपीरियंस आपको कितना काम आया इस इनिंग में, और संडे को मुंबई फाइनल खेलने जा रही, कुछ स्पेशल मैसेज देना चाहिए आपको टीम के लिए?
पहली बात, विजय हजारे में मैं 2 अच्छा इनिंग्स खेल के आया, तो ऑब्वियसली कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा था वहाँ से आने के बाद और वही मोमेंटम मैं कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे भी. तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा मुंबई टीम को कि वो जिस तरीके से खेलते आ रहे हैं, कुछ चेंज करने का उन्हें ज़रूरत नहीं है. और ऑब्वियसली पृथ्वी शॉ जो हिसाब से परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे फॉर्म में है और उन्हें कुछ चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उनका माइंडसेट एकदम ऑन पॉइंट है इस वक्त. मैंने उससे बात भी किया कल कि फाइनल्स अभी स्टेडियम में खेलने वाले, पिच अलग रहने वाला, तो किसी का सुनना मत, अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स को बैक करना और ऑब्वियसली टीम भी बहुत अच्छे मोराल में.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.